Introducing Dexter's DEX360 Smart Trailer System. With DEX360 geofencing capabilities, you can see the location of your trailer 24/7. With the asset tracking feature, you will be notified when your trailer is moved out of its designated location. No longer are the days of discovering after the fact that a trailer has been stolen or moved with little or nothing to do about it. This groundbreaking solution gives drivers the peace of mind that their trailer is secure and operating safely. With Dexter leading the market space with advanced technologies and bringing automotive technologies to the trailer industry, DEX360 brings safety, security, innovation, and convenience to your trailer. From a virtual odometer and geofencing security with GPS tracking, to safety monitoring of crucial components like battery levels and tire pressure, Dexter is the first to market with a comprehensive automotive-style safety and security system for trailers. With DEX360, you will have the peace of mind that your trailer is safe and secure.